Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So this is just going to be another Tress unboxing really, and just to show you the results that I got from using their products. Not their products, but the products they sent me this month. So yeah, do you guys like the results? I'm not going to tell you what was in there yet, but these are the results I got. Let me just turn around. And I am shook. Like, I don't think that I have got wash day results like this in a long ass time. Like, look at that. I'm really happy. Really happy with this month's box. So without further ado, let's get into it. And if I keep touching my hair throughout this video, I do apologise. I just can't help it. But yeah, so this is the box that all of the products came in. So it is February 2019 this month, so let's get into it. Oh, I always struggle to get this thing open. So this is what the box looked like when it arrived. The wrapping paper was a bit better than that, obviously, but yep. So on the top, I had this card which they send every month. So it says, "Happy Valentine's Day, sis. It's February already, and after what seemed like the longest January ever, it's the official month of love. So whether you're getting ready to slay date night or just want to take some time to love on yourself, this box is for you. Usually our takeover boxes have 4 to 5 full-size products, but this month you've got 6 to indulge in. Enjoy, love. P.S. Remember, self-care and queen time is an act of self-love. Let's get into this wash day." So that is what came in there. Also in the box there was this card from Bespoke Binny. They do homeware and lifestyle and accessories, and their website's on the back there, bespokebinny.com. So I'm guessing they've got like African print homeware things. I haven't checked them out yet, but I definitely need to. So yeah, so this month, as you might have heard in their little introductory thing, is a takeover by none other than Twisted Sista. And I was spoiled for choice this month. I don't know if anybody saw last month's video, but I was a bit annoyed. Not annoyed, but I just really wanted a styler in my first box, but there was no styler. But this month, let me tell you, they gave us 3 styling products along with a shampoo, a leave-in conditioner / conditioner, and a sleek edge gel. I mean, come on, that's wash day from start to finish, plus styling, plus more. So I was really happy with this box. But yeah, without further ado, let me get into it. Also, since last week I have done some research on sulfates and things that should not be in your curly hair products and the reasons why they shouldn't be in there. So yeah, I'm a little bit more educated on that side now, but let me show you guys the box. Look how pretty that is. Like, when I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So let me go through everything that's actually in here. Oh goodness, too much hair. So the first thing that I used in the box was this Twisted Sista Luxurious Clarifying Shampoo. I hope you can see that. So this is free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates. I can't say that word, but that word there. So yeah, this shampoo still lathered up, even though there were no sulfates in it. Not as much as any of the shampoos I've used in the past, but a good amount. And it did really clean my hair. It was slightly drying, but I definitely knew that I was getting very clean hair after this, and I will definitely use it again. It was a really weird texture though. I don't want to take it out now, but it is like really weird. It's a bit like gloopy, not like any shampoo I have used before, but I mean, it did the job and it smelled amazing. What was the next thing I used? The next thing I used was this Twisted Sista Intensive Leave-In Conditioner, and it looks like that. Again, it is free from sulfates, parabens, and that word that I can't say. This was really good. It was amazing. So it's a bit weird, but Twisted Sister doesn't actually have a conditioner, so this would be your next step after conditioning your hair. Tress advised putting it into your hair and then rinse lightly, as this beauty product is dual purpose. So that's what I did. I put it into my hair and then I rinsed out just a little bit, and then I put a little bit more in my hair when I started styling my hair as well. This smelled so potent. It was, I don't even want to, oh my god, it smells so nice. Like literally when I whip my hair you can smell it. So nice, and it had a good amount of slip as well, so I did detangle my hair with this in the shower. Then the next product that I used was not this. It was this. They are in similar packaging, and that is the Twisted Sister Curl Activator Cream, which looks like that. Now this was quite thick in consistency, so I only put a little bit on each section. I am someone that usually does use a lot of product, but I didn't want to use all of the stylers on top of each other because I wanted to sort of see how well they did. Not by themselves, because I've never done a wash and go without a sort of gel or a mousse. So I used this cream, which was lovely. I only used a little bit per section. I can't really say what results it would give by itself because I did put something else on top of it after, but it did give me a bit of a hold, and I could feel that it was clumping my curls together due to the thickness. But the next thing that I put on in conjunction with this, so the two stylers I used was this, and the next thing was this Twisted Sister Amazing Dream Curl Gel. So it looks like that. Now this, I think, was the product that gave me the definition, the defined curls. Oh, look at them. But yeah, it was this. Anyway, oh, I didn't see if that was free from, what this was free from. Sulfates, parabens, and that weird word. And again, this is this free from anything? Oh yeah, sulfates, parabens, and that weird word again. So let me open this because this was like no gel I've ever seen before. Actually, after doing a little bit of research, because Tress is leading me to do research on natural hair products now, I found out that it's quite similar in consistency to flaxseed gel. But anyway, let me show you. It's like very runny, so it's not like any sort of eco styler gel or anything like that. And look, it's like really sticky and gloopy. So I didn't think that this would have any hold whatsoever, but trust me, it did. I mean, after my hair had air dried, it was very crunchy, I'm not gonna lie. I think if I would have diffused it, I don't think there really would have been any crunch there. But because there was crunch, it did give me hold, and I do love a bit of crunch on day one. Obviously, I don't like the results from day one, but I love the crunch just because I know that it is gonna keep my hair held. So I love this product. I will definitely be buying it again. If I run out of it and I don't have anything else from Tress in the future, I will be buying this again. I love this product. And it smelled amazing. And yeah, it was just really good. And I hardly used any. I think that's what got me even more shook. Like, the thing is still full. Usually I put so much product on my hair, but I didn't have to at all. So this was lovely. And then that was it. So after that, those are the products that I used, and I just let my hair air dry for a few hours, and yeah, now we're on day 3 and this is what I'm looking like. So the next thing in the box is this, and I really had a dilemma because I didn't know what I wanted to use. So this is Twisted Sister Cream Perfection Cream Gel. Sorry, Curl Perfection Cream Gel, and it's free from sulfates, parabens, and whatever that is. But this, when I read the back, it says great on type 3 and type 4 curls to define coils into creative styles. So I really wanted to use this, but then obviously because I was spoiled for which one to use out of these three. I thought that if I was to use products, these seem like they have lighter hold because it doesn't mention type 3 or type 4 curls, and this, I think this one's described as more of a light gel. So I decided to use these two together, but in my next wash day and curly hair routine, I will be using this because I can imagine that this is going to have amazing results. I don't even know what the consistency is because it is still sealed, but I will definitely give it a go. I do have high hopes for this, and it is actually new in the range as well. So when I went online to try and see if anybody had reviewed it, I could not find any reviews on that. And then last but not least is this. So this is the Twisted Sister Nourishing Sleek Edge Gel. So this is free from all of the same things plus mineral oils. This was really good. It smelled nice, not too thick. Sorry, that's really nice. But yeah, not too thick, and I kind of like try to attempt to, if you can see, glue down my edges, but I'm not really very good at this edge life, so I'll be teaching myself that a bit in the future. But yeah, this box I was so happy with. I mean, come on, 3 stylers, from no stylers last month to 3 stylers this month. Really happy. I can't say that without Tress I would have picked up Twisted Sister, but now I have been sent the product, I definitely will. Also, just subscribing to this box last month has made me really start looking into natural hair care products that are good for your hair, products that aren't good for your hair, and I do really want to sort of switch up what I've been doing. So if anybody else is interested in sort of discovering new products and learning about your natural hair, I would definitely recommend signing up to Tress. I mean, I haven't gone through everything that they say on here, but even the card they give you just details how you might want to use each product and what it's good for and things like that. So yeah, they are really good. It's a subscription service which is £20 a month plus £3.95 postage and packaging each month, and yeah, and on top of that, it's just something that you just really look forward to come in. I'm always like, when is my Tress? I can't say I'm always like, because it's only been 2 months, but from when the last one came, I'm like, oh, I just want my new Tress box. So yeah, it's a thing, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be back again with another unboxing of Tress in the future, and hopefully I'll be able to make some videos in between. But yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys for now, and I hope you have a great day, week, month, year, whatever. Ciao ciao.